to my channel. So as you've seen naman in this video title, I'll be sharing with you healthy breakfast recipe ideas. So I prepared 4 recipes that I usually eat, especially when I was trying to lose weight. So I prepared 4 recipes. So the first one is a peanut butter banana smoothie. The second one is a dragon fruit smoothie bowl. And the third is a dark chocolate oatmeal recipe. And the last is a protein banana pancake using only a few ingredients, using oatmeal as your flour. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you give it a try. So that's it. See you later. Okay guys, so your first recipe is a peanut butter banana smoothie. So we'll need yung milk, peanut butter, oatmeal, cinnamon, frozen bananas, chia seeds, and ice cubes. So some of these are optional lang, pero what I do is I freeze bananas kasi these makes the creamy. These makes the shakes creamier. Yung texture parang ice cream. And since breakfast too, I added oats to keep me fuller for longer, and ice cubes para mas malamig. Of course, I add cinnamon kasi super fave ko to, but you don't need to add this naman if you're not a fan. Of course, the peanut butter kahit a full teaspoon lang, chia seeds, and lastly, your choice of milk. And then, after all those, I just blend it all together, and I have na a very filling breakfast na. Second recipe is a dragon fruit smoothie bowl. So, dragon fruit is 13 season. So I have here frozen dragon fruit, a banana, coconut sugar, and almond milk. So it depends on you kung anong klaseng milk yung gusto mong gamitin. So I have I just put the dragon fruit in the blender. I add half a banana. I'm saving the other half for later as topping since we're making a smoothie bowl this time. So I just put all the ingredients in the blender. So I add the coconut sugar. Kasi unlike kanina, may peanut butter tayo for sweetness. So for this one, I added coconut sugar to make it a little bit sweet. And I added a little bit of milk. So that's the smoothie bowl. You'll see it's kind of watery. So ang recommendation ko here is to add ice. I forgot to add ice. So I just top it with fresh fruits, my homemade granola, and of course chia seeds for added protein. Okay, our third recipe is a dark chocolate banana oatmeal. So using only a few ingredients, of course, banana, a dark chocolate bar, and oatmeal. So I usually take 1/3 cup of oats. So according sa package, this is their serving size. So I just add it in a pan and I cook it with almond milk kasi it tastes creamier, but you can also use water for this. I also smash half a banana. Again, similar to the previous recipe, I am saving the other half to top my oatmeal with. I also have this Meiji na dark chocolate bar, but if you have cocoa powder, you can also use that. And of course, cinnamon, kasi I love cinnamon. So this is what it looks like when it's cooked na, after 10 minutes. And what I usually do is just top it with fresh fruits like banana, the one I saved kanina. And of course, I add chia seeds and a splash of almond milk. Okay, for the last recipe, these are protein oat pancakes. These are healthier versions than your regular pancakes because we use oat as the flour. So we'll need milk, 1 egg, 1 banana, and of course the oatmeal. The protein powder I'm showing you now is just optional. So I usually get half a cup of oatmeal. This will serve as your flour that will grind when we blend all the ingredients together. And of course, I add half a banana. Again, I always save half a banana to top it. Of course, 1 egg, and the protein powder is actually optional, but I actually like the taste kasi it's a chocolate flavor. And of course, the milk. And then when you reach na that consistency, that's ready to cook, and you fry it the way you do regular pancakes. I just stack them up into layers and top it with banana. You can also add maple syrup for this, but since the protein powder that I added is meron ng sugar, so I didn't add na. But feel free to add any toppings. I just added fresh fruit, and of course, cinnamon, my ultimate favorite. And there, that's the oatmeal protein pancake recipe. So, those are the recipes, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you give it a try. Please let me know if you tried it, and let me know what you think with those recipes. So, if you want more recipe videos like this, please let me know, and I'll be happy to do more videos for you. So, yun lang. I'll see you in my next video, and thank you so much for watching this. Bye!